Hi friends, if your body feels tight, stiff, or just needs a reset, this 20-minute full body stretch is quick, effective, and will leave you feeling light, recharged instantly. Before we dive in, if you're new here or want to stay connected, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you will never miss a stretch. Come into a comfortable seated position, cross-legged or kneeling. Rest your hands on the thighs. Let your shoulders soften. Let's start with a few deep breaths to arrive. Inhale deeply through the nose. Feel the ribs expand, the chest lift. Exhale through the mouth. Let everything go. One more time. Breathe in lightness and energy. Exhale tension and heaviness. Gently blink open the eyes. Slowly lower your chin down toward the chest. As you exhale, slowly begin to rotate your head to the left. Slowly rock your head a little left and right, just a small movement. Then slowly return your head to the center and move to the right. Taking your time, letting the stretch move through the tight spots. Inhale, head rolls left. Breathe, rock side to side. Inhale, head rolls right. Breathe, rock gently. And then slowly bring your head back to center. Lift your gaze just a little. Feel the space you've created in your neck and upper back. Now gently cross your legs, stacking your right knee on top of the left. If that's not accessible, you can always sit cross-legged comfortably. Take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine, lifting up through the crown of your head. Exhale, gently twist to the left. Feel the twist moving through the navel upward, not forcing but gently spiraling. On your next exhale, slowly unwind. Take an inhale to straighten the upper body. Exhale, twist deeper to the right. So your left arm crosses over to the outside of the right shin, using the gentle leverage. Your right hand returns behind you, grounding and lifting the spine. Keep both hips heavy on the floor, spine long, and shoulders relaxed. This twist is great for stimulating digestion and supporting detoxification. Breathe deeply and enjoy the release. And gently unwind and come back to center. Take a breath here. Let's switch sides. Stack your left knee over your right. Inhale, lift tall through the spine. Exhale, gently twist to the right. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. 5 deep breaths. Let your twist feel nourishing, not forced. Finish up the other side. Deep twist to the left. Right arm crosses to the outside of left thigh and the left hand returns behind you. Spine stays long, hips rounded. You might notice the second time when you twist, you are able to get a little bit deeper. That is your body responding to your guidance, and it's a sign the stretching is taking effect. When you are ready, come back to center. Take a cleansing breath in and slowly breathe out. Come into tabletop. Take a moment to find your grounding. Feel the spine lengthen. Now begin to circle your torso, shifting your weight forward, to the right, back, and the left, creating a gentle circular motion through the spine and the hips. Do this 4 times to the right, and then 4 times to the left. Feel free to exaggerate the movement or make it your own, maybe letting your hips sway or the head and neck join. You are waking up your spine, your core, and your breath. Eventually, return back to center. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, extend your right leg back and left arm forward, coming into bird dog. Engage your core, reach in both directions. Stay here for a few breaths, feeling the strength, the stability, the stretch. Now gently release the hand. Shift your right foot out to the right, roughly in line with the left knee. This opens the hips and sets us up for some deeper stretch movement. Let's move into cat and cow. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest and tailbone. Exhale, round the spine, tuck your chin. Move slowly and intentionally, flowing through 4 to 5 rounds or more if your body asks for it. After your last exhale, return to a neutral spine. Now sweep your left arm up into the sky, open your chest, and exhale, thread the needle. Slide your left arm under your right, resting your left shoulder and temple down. Extend your right arm forward, stretching it long overhead. Let your breath settle. Feel the stretch along the arms, the upper back, maybe even the outer hips and the legs. For a deeper twist, bend your right knee a little or lot, and reach your left hand to grab your right shin, thigh, or ankle, whichever you can reach comfortably. With each breath, begin to twist a little deeper, shine your chest up to the sky. This is a beautiful twist to open the spine, the shoulders, and the side body. Stay here for a few breaths, soft, steady, and supported. Slowly unwind and return to tabletop. Now inhale, stretch your left leg back and the right arm forward, strong and steady. Find your center, lengthen through the fingertips and heel. Hold for a few breaths, drawing stability from your core. Then gently step your left foot out to the side, creating space through the inner hips. Let your breath guide you as you move. Inhale to arc the spine, heart open. Exhale to round, drawing navels to the spine. Move through a few more rounds at your pace, allowing each breath to lead the way. Come back to neutral when you feel ready. Now reach your right arm up, lifting through the chest. Exhale, thread it under the left, lowering down onto your shoulder and cheek. Let the weight of the body melt into the floor. Extend your left arm forward, lengthening through the fingertips to hip. If it feels good, bend your left knee. Reach your right hand back to find your shin, your thigh, or your ankle. Whatever is accessible today. Then gently sweep your left hand behind your back, resting it where it naturally lands, soft into the twist. Notice the subtle opening through the spine, the chest, and the shoulders. Breathe deeply here, letting the pose support you from the inside out. As we slowly come back to tabletop, feeling the effects of that deep twist as you arrive. Now tuck your toes under, inhale deeply. As you exhale, lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Settle in here. Pedal off the feet if that feels good, or find stillness right away. Feel the length in your spine and the weight in your hands, the stretch through the legs. Let the heels melt down into the mat. Relax the neck and soften the jaw. Letting this posture reset your body and reconnect your breath. Take a deep breath in. Lift your right leg high, three-leg dog. As you exhale, step your right foot through to a low lunge. Inhale, rise into Warrior II, arms strong, hips open. Take a few breaths here. Feel into the shape. Settle deeply. Let your legs support you. On your next inhale, open up into star. Arms reaching high, heart open. Exhale, bend your knees wide and drop into horse pose. Take a breath here. Sink into your hips. Feel strong and grounded. Inhale, return to the star. Exhale, parallel your arms with the floor and turn your toes in, feet parallel with the mat. Inhale, lift your chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hips. When you reach to the bottom, maybe grab the outside edge of your feet with your shin, or even let your hands rest gently on the floor. Wherever you are, honor your own range. There's no need to force. Let your elbows soften out to the sides if you are holding your feet. Gently draw the crown of your head down, not pushing, just letting gravity do the work. Your spine is long, your neck is relaxed. Bring your attention to the subtle space between the crown of your head and the earth below, as if your thoughts could release with each exhale. Stay here for a few more breaths, letting your spine evolve quietly. Inhale, lift halfway, spine long. Exhale, walk both hands towards your left foot. Plant your fingertips firmly on the mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale, fold deeply. Feel the stretch along the right side from your ribs to the glutes down to the hamstring. This is a super stretch pose. You can even stack your right palm on top of the left to deepen the sensation. Now slowly bend into your left knee, coming into a low lunge. Gently release your right knee down to the mat. You can always place a blanket or fold the mat if needed for support under the knee. Sink your hips forward and down, opening through the front of your right thigh and hip. If it feels good, reach your left hand back to capture the right foot, gently stretching through the thigh and hip. Breathe. You are creating space in your hips, which tend to hold tension, especially from long hours of sitting or stress. Then release the back foot and shift your hips back into half split. Your left leg extend forward, flex your toes, and begin to fold over the shin. Keep your hips squared, spine long. Maybe the hand walks forward, maybe they stay beside the leg, but there's no rush to reach or achieve. Let each breath guide you deeper into sensation, not into strain. Breathe into your hamstrings, behind the knee, even into your calf. Inhale, rebend front knee, return to low lunge. Exhale, lift the back knee and begin to straighten both legs, coming into pyramid pose. Keep your spine long as you fold forward over your front leg. Imagine your breath traveling through the back heel to the crown of your head. This is a powerful stretch for hamstrings, calves, and outer hips. Inhale, return to Warrior II. Take a full satisfying breath. As you exhale, gently lunge to the right, bending deeply into your right knee while keeping the left leg extended. Feel the opening in the inner thighs and take a moment to settle into the stretch, letting your breath guide you. When you're ready, begin to shift your weight slowly to the left side, bending into the left knee with control. Now flow gently from side to side, right, then left, moving with your breath, awakening the hips and grounding through the feet with each transition. Inhale deeply as you rise back up into star pose, arms wide, chest open, feet grounded. Exhale as you extend your arms out wide, parallel to the floor. Take a deep, steady inhale and exhale slowly, hinging from the hips as you fold forward. This time, walk both hands toward the right foot, fingertips press down. Take a deep breath in and exhale, fold deeply. Feel that stretch along the left side of your back, glutes, and hamstrings. Option to stack your left palm on the right to intensify. Now slowly bend the right knee, returning to low lunge. Take a moment to settle in. Feel the weight shift forward, the hips gently melting toward the mat. If it feels accessible, reach your left hand back to capture the right foot, holding the ankle, the top of the foot, or even using a strap if needed. This brings you into a deep quad and a hip flexor stretch. When you're ready, gently release your lunge and shift your hips back into half split. Extend your right leg forward with the foot flexed, feeling the stretch awaken. Inhale to lengthen the spine, lifting through the chest, and exhale to fold forward, staying steady and mindful as you ease into the hamstring stretch. Let each breath soften the edges of a sensation, allowing your body to open gradually and with patience. Inhale back to low lunge. Exhale, lift the back knee, straighten both legs into pyramid pose. Feeling intensity rise here. To go deeper, you can even lift your right toes up towards the sky, stretching the hamstrings a little bit more. Now begin to walk your back foot forward until both feet are under you, hip distance apart or slightly wider. Fold into gorilla pose, sliding your palms under your feet if that feels available. Toes to wrists, elbows soften. Let your head hang heavily. Neck relaxed, shoulders melting towards the floor. Feel the connection, hands to feet, body to earth. This is a release for the whole back body. Let go of holding, let go of effort. Then gently bend your knees and lower your hips down into garland pose, Malasana. Lift through the chest. Bring the palms to heart center. Use the elbows, gently open your knees. Root down through the heels. Pause here. Breathe. Feel the stretch in your hips, the grounding of your breath. A moment to dive in, to feel grounded, supported, centered. Now gently release the hips down to the mat and slowly lie back. Draw your knees into the chest, hug them close to your heart. Let your back spread wide on the mat. You can gently rock side to side or just stay still. Let this be a moment of gratitude for your body, for showing up, for releasing. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale everything out. Now let both knees drop gently to the left for an easy supine twist. Open your right arm out to the side, soften your gaze or close your eyes. Let your breath spiral down the spine, letting go anything that no longer needed. Inhale back to center and exhale twist to the right. Left arm opens wide. Relax the jaw, the face, the belly. This is a final rinse. Breathe fully, gently, without force. Come back to center. Wrap your arms around your shins. Give yourself one last squeeze. Curl into a tiny ball, lifting the forehead towards the knees if that feels right. A final moment of warmth, contentment, and self-connection. And now, release everything. Let your legs stretch long, arms resting by the side, palms facing up, shoulders soft, eyes closed. Savasana. Let your breath be natural. Let your body absorb the patience. Let your mind settle into stillness. When you are ready to rise, do so slowly. Roll to one side, then gently push yourself up to seated position. Bring your hands to the heart center and take deep breaths in and sigh it out. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Until next time, stay well, stay kind, and keep showing up for yourself. Namaste.